Good morning, students. The previous class we have seen how to evaluate the area of the bounded region using integration. So exercise 9.8 second problem we are going to see now. Find the area of the region bounded by 2x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 3 and y axis. You see that 2x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So it's a linear equation. So it is the equation of the straight line. And see here your axis is given y axis. And the limits varies from y is equal to minus 1 to y is equal to 3. So we have to consider the y axis. Okay. So before that, first we have to draw the diagram. So using the diagram only we can find the area of the bounded region lies to the right of y axis or lies to the left of y axis. For that diagram is needed. So I take this line equation. So here you are having minus y. So I'll take it to the right side. It is plus y. So you are getting y is equal to 2x plus 1. Okay. So to draw the straight line, we need at least 2 points. Okay. So first put x is equal to 0. Okay. So if you substitute here x equal to 0, here you will have 0 plus 1, that is 1. So y is equal to 1. When x equal to 0, y is equal to 1. Next step, what you have to do, put y equal to 0. So if you substitute y is equal to 0 here, 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1 by 2. These 2 points is enough to draw the line. Okay. Otherwise, if you want, you can consider more points. So here I have considered, put x is equal to 1. These 2 points are important. First step, put x equal to 0, you will get the y-intercept. Next step, you put y is equal to 0, you will get the x-intercept. Then x equal to 1, if you substitute, it is 2 plus 1 is 3. X equal to minus 1. Negative values also it is, we need it. So x minus 1, if you substitute, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. X equal to 2 means 4 plus 1, that is 5. X is equal to minus 2 means minus 4 plus 1, that is minus 3. So I have found, okay, 6 points on this line. So I am going to mark it. So these 2 points are important. Okay, 0, 1. So x-axis and y-axis is drawn. This point is your 0, 0. That is the origin. So first I am going to mark 0, 1. So 0, 1 is here. This is your 0, 1. And next one, minus 1 by 2, 0. So x value is negative. So this point is, what is it? Minus 1 by 2, 0. It is on the x-axis. So it is minus 1 by 2, 0. And you can go for 1, 3. So x-axis 1 units and y-axis 3 units. So this point is 1, 3. And the same way, minus 1, minus 1. So you will have here it is half. So minus 1, minus 1. So using these 2 points, using the scale, I extend this line. Okay, this is the straight line. What is that equation? Whose equation is 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So this is the line equation. Okay, I have drawn the line. Next, what you have to do? You have to consider the y-axis. So this is the y-axis. So y-axis already it is drawn. And you have to mark the lines y is equal to minus 1. See that y is equal to minus 1. Y-axis y value is negative. So this point 0, 0. So this point is minus 1. Y-axis you have to consider. So minus 1. Through that you have to draw the horizontal line. This is your y is equal to minus 1 line. So y is equal to minus 1. And next y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3 means it is a positive side of y-axis. Y-axis idu vandu 1. So you have to go for 3. So this is the line y is equal to 3. See that the area bounded by the line, y-axis, y is equal to minus 1 to y is equal to 3. So these 2 triangles will come. Okay. So you call this area as A1 and this area as A2. Both are needed. So therefore the required area is equal to A is equal to A1 plus A2. You look at your A1. A1 how it is? It is above the x-axis. But here we are taking which axis? Y-axis, and the limits, that is the lines are given in terms of y. So we have to consider the y-axis. If you consider the y-axis, your area A1 lies to the right of y-axis. So right of y-axis means it should be positive. So you have to write the limit integral. So where it varies from? It varies from, you see that A1. So this is the area. This is the triangle. So it starts from this point, isn't it? So here this point is what? 0, 1. Here we are considering the y limits. So y value is here, it is 1. So if you draw the line y is equal to 1, it will be like this. Okay. So now your limit varies from y is equal to 1 to y is equal to 3. Okay, this area lies between the lines y is equal to 1 to y is equal to 3. Okay, so therefore y value has to be taken. Here the y value is 1. So y is equal to 1 to y is equal to 3. Okay, so I have written integral 1 to 3 x dy. So here I have written positive. Why? It is the right of y-axis. Why y-axis has to be chosen? It is given. So the lines are varies from y is equal to -1 to y is equal to 3. So you have to choose the y-axis. Y-axis means you have to check whether it is right or left. If it is right, A1 is lies to the right of y-axis. So it is positive. So integral 1 to 3 x dy. This x has to be taken from the line. So 2x plus 1 is equal to y. So on the plus 1, when you take it to the next side, -1. So 2x is equal to y minus 1. So x is equal to y minus 1 by 2. So in the place of x, we have substituted y minus 1 by 2. So this 2 is a constant, so it is taken out. 2 is in the denominator, so when you take out, it has to be written as 1 by 2. And integral 1 to 3 y minus 1 into dy. So the integration of y is y squared by 2 and minus, what is 1 into dy? We are integrating with respect to y. So 1 into dy is y, and the limits or varies from 1 to 3. So first you have to apply the upper limit. So it is what? 3 squared, that is 9 by 2 minus 3. In between you have to write minus. Then you have to apply the lower limit. So that is 1 by 2 minus 1. So if you take LCM, so here the LCM is 2. So it is 9 minus 6 by 2 minus of, if you take LCM as 2, 1 minus 2 by 2. So 9 minus 6 is 3 by 2 minus of 1 minus 2 is minus 1 by 2. So minus into minus plus. 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 4 by 2. What is 4 by 2? It is 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 is 1. So next one we have to go to find A2. What is A2? You look at the diagram. So how is your A2? A2 lies to the left of y-axis. So left of y-axis. So what is the formula? Integral A to B. What is it? Minus x dy. So here I have written minus x dy. So now you have to check the limit. Your A2. See that this is the line given. What is the line? Y is equal to minus 1. Next line, which one has to be taken up to this? So this is the line y is equal to 1. So it is varies from y is equal to minus 1 to y is equal to 1. Okay. So integral minus 1 to 1 minus x dy. So the minus is taken out in the place of x. So see that question. 2x plus 1 is equal to y. So 2x is equal to y minus 1, x is equal to y minus 1 by 2. So in the place of x, y minus 1 by 2 into dy. Okay, this 2 also is taken out. So the constant is minus 1 by 2. And you are going to, what is remaining here? Y minus 1. So if you integrate y, that is y squared by 2. Minus 1 into dy is y. And the limits varies from minus 1 to plus 1. Apply the upper limit. That is 1 by 2 minus 1. So in between you have to write minus. Then you have to apply the lower limit. What is minus 1 the whole square? That is 1. 1 by 2. Minus of minus 1. In the place of y, you have to substitute minus 1. So minus of minus 1 is plus 1. Half minus 1 is minus half. Half plus 1 is 3 by 2. So in between you are having minus. So minus 3 by 2. So this also minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So when you add, it is 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is nothing but minus 2. Minus into minus plus. This 2 and here 2 getting cancelled. So therefore the answer is 1. So A2 also 1. So we need, what is the required area? A1 plus A2. So that is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 square units. So using y-axis, y-ordinates, we have found the area of the bounded region. You see the next one, third problem. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve. The first and the second problem, line is given. Here it's a curve. You see the x power, it is 2. Okay, so it is a curve. X-axis, x equal to minus 3 and x equal to plus 3. So whatever it is, first we have to concentrate on the diagram. So you consider the curve here. Y, you just keep it in the left side. The remaining term you take it to the right side. So minus x squared, it will become plus x squared on the right side. Plus x will become minus x, and plus 2, here it will be written as minus 2. So you know that it is a quadratic function. So you can factorize. So while you are taking product, it should be minus 2, and the addition of those two terms should be minus 1. So we will write x plus 1 into x minus 2. Okay, so when you factorize the quadratic function, you will get x plus 1 into x minus 2. So you have to find 2 or 6 points. Okay, so whatever it is, first you have to substitute x is equal to 0. So here if you substitute x as 0, your answer is y is equal to minus 2. And put y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 means x plus 1 is equal to 0. Up x is equal to minus 1. In the same way, x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2. So y at 2 points, the y value will become 0. Okay, one is x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. So you have to mark all the 3 points compulsorily. Okay, next one, you substitute x is equal to 1 here. X equal to 1, if you substitute 1 squared minus 1 minus 2. So what is it? 1 minus 1, 0. So you will get minus 2. These 3 points are important. So these points will get the x-intercept and y-intercept, so that the curve where to touch the x-axis and y-axis, that may become the limit. So these 3 points are very, very important. The remaining are optional. Okay, so here I have taken x 1 and minus 1. Here x equal to 2. When x equal to 2, your y is 0. So I will take minus 2. When I substitute x as minus 2 the whole squared is 4. 4 minus of minus 2. So 4 plus 2, 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. Your y value is 4. Put x is equal to 3. So here you will have 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. And you can have minus 3, x equal to minus 3. If we substitute minus 3 the whole squared is 9, minus of minus 3 is plus 3, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 minus 2 is 10. Okay, so using the points, we are going to draw the diagram. First, x-axis, y-axis is drawn. So first 0 comma minus 2. So 0 comma minus 2, this is the point, 0 comma minus 2. And the next one, if you want, you can mark. So what is this? This is the point 0 comma minus 2. 0 comma minus 2. Okay. And the next one, minus 1 comma 0. So this is the point minus 1 comma 0. And 2 comma 0. Okay. So you see now 1 comma minus 2. So here you are having 1 comma minus 2 is marked. Minus 2 comma 4. So you take minus 2. Here it is minus 1. So this is minus 2 comma 4. Okay. 3 comma 4. This point is 3 comma 4. And minus 3 comma 10. So minus 3 comma 10. So somewhere else. So using the points, I have drawn the curve. So the red color, that is the equation of the curve. So the curve equation. So the curve equation is what is it? 2 plus x minus x squared plus y is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the curve. So what is it? It is 2 plus x minus x squared plus y is equal to 0. That is the equation of the curve. So next one, what you have to mark? Y-axis, that is x-axis. X-axis is already drawn. Next one, you have to go for x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3. So x equal to minus 3. X-axis, x value is negative. So this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, using this point, you have to draw the vertical line. So this line is x is equal to minus 3. And x is equal to 3. This line you have to mark. So x equal to 3 means positive side. So here it is 1, here it is 2, here 3. So using the point 3, 0, you have to draw the vertical line. So that is x equal to 3. So curve, area bounded by the curve. One side you will have the curve and next one x-axis and the lines from minus 3 to plus 3. You will get 3 types of area. Okay, so you have to call this as A1 and this is A2 and this is A3. So we have to add all the areas. So the required area is equal to A is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3. So you have to decide which axis you have considered. So your lines is given in terms of x. So here x axis is given. So if you consider x axis, you have to check the bounded region is above x axis or below x axis. You go for A1. How is your A1? This bounded region is above x axis. Above x axis. So what is the formula? A1 integral a to b y dx. So if it is above x axis means the formula is integral a to b y dx. Okay. See now, if a A1 limit we have to find out. So it starts from, what is it? Minus 3. Here is the line, minus 3. And it ends with here. So x value is here, it is what? Minus 1. So through this point, if you draw the line, this is x is equal to minus 1. We are considering x, the lines x is equal to minus 3. So you have to take the x coordinate of this point, that is minus 1. So x equal to minus 1 will be here. So therefore, you have to start from x is equal to minus 3 to minus 1. And for A2, you see the limit. So from here to here. So here your x value is minus 1. Here your x value is 2. So A2, the limit is minus 1 to 2. Okay. And for A3, it from 2 to 3. Okay. So it is x equal to 3. Up to x equal to 3 you need it. So it is the lower limit is x equal to 2 and the upper limit is x is equal to 3. So for A1, what is it? X equal to minus 3 to x is equal to minus 1. So A1 lies above the x-axis. So the A1 is equal to integral minus 3 to minus 1 y dx. Okay, limit is written. You have to find out y. So y has to be taken from the, what is it? Curve. What is y? Already we have written x squared minus x minus 2. So it is x, it is written here into dx. So you have to integrate. What is the integration of x squared? It is x cubed by 3. Okay, and what is x? Minus x, if you integrate, it is minus x squared by 2. And it is a constant. So minus 2 into x. And the limits varies from minus 3 to minus 1. So first you have to apply the upper limit. So while you are applying the limit, you have to be careful on the plus and minus. Okay, here minus 1 the whole cube. So it will become minus 1 by 3. So here you are having minus 1 the whole square is 1. So it is 1 by 2. And here you are having minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. So upper limit is over. Minus, go for the lower limit. Minus 3 the whole cube is minus 27 by 3. And here in between you are having minus, that has to be written. What is minus 3 the whole square is plus 9. 9 by 2. And if you substitute minus 3 here, minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6. So next you have to take LCM. So the LCM I am going to take it as 6. So therefore this term has to be multiplied with the 2. So minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, and here it is minus 3. So 6 into 2 is 12. So here the same way the LCM. So 27 into 2 is minus 54, 9 3s are minus 27, and if 6 6 are 36. If you calculate, it is minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. Minus 5 plus 12 is 7, 7 by 6. So here minus 54 minus 27. So minus 27 plus 36 is, what is it, 9. So minus 54 plus 9, so that is minus 45 by 6. So minus into minus plus. So 45 plus 7 is 52 by 3. You can simplify. So otherwise finally we can go for it. So next we are going to A2. You look at your A2. A2 lies how it is below the x-axis. So below the x-axis means integral A to B minus y dx. So here you have to write here, what you have to write here, which has to come minus y dx. Okay, so this minus is written here, and you have to see the limit for A2. So x limit, so it is x equal to minus 1 to x is equal to 2. So minus 1 to 2 minus y dx. So minus, so in the place of y is substituted. So the minus is commonly taken out, and you have to integrate. So already I have told about the integration, and the limits varies from minus 1 to 2. Don't touch this minus, you just left as it is in the outside. So apply the upper limit. 2 cube is 8 by 3 minus 2 squared is 4, 4 by 2. Here if you substitute 2, so it is minus 4. So upper limit is over, minus you have to substitute the lower limit. Minus 1 the whole cube is minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. Here if you substitute minus 1, minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. Again you take the LCM as 6. So it is 16 minus 12 minus 24. Here if you take LCM, it is minus 2. Here you will have minus 3. Here it is 12. So when you calculate, it is minus 20 by 6 minus 7 by 6. So it is minus 27 by 6. So if you minus into minus plus 27 by 6. A2 we have found. In the same way, we have to go for A3. How is your A3? A3 lies above the x-axis. So integral A to B, what is it? Pass y dx. Y dx. And the limits, A3 order limits, it varies from 2 to 3. This is the line, x equal to 3. So if you draw the line through this point, it is x is equal to 2. So if you draw the line, vertical line to this through the point, it is x is equal to 2. So the limits varies from 2 to 3 y dx. The same way you have to proceed. You have to apply the upper limit and take LCM. So you will get minus 9 by 6 minus of minus 20 by 6. Okay. So see now. So if you calculate, it is 11 by 6. So what is your required area? A is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3. So A1 is what? 52 by 6. And A2 is 27 by 6. And A3 is 11 by 6. So here the LCM is same. So that's why I didn't cancel. So 52 plus 27 plus 11 is 90. So 90 by 6, that is equal to 15 square units. Thank you, students.